What this organization really needs is a one-on-one approach.
Easily erasable. Cameron whiteboard markers.
Actually, what this organization really needs is repositioning. That means that
Easily erasable. Cameron whiteboard markers.
what this organization desperately needs is change.
Easily erasable. Cameron whiteboard markers.